Mabuhay mga ka-team, nandito tayo ngayon sa Barangay Poblacion, San Fabian, Pangasinan, na kung saan mapapanood natin ang isang finals sa kanilang liga. Shoutout nga pala kay Sir Henry Cayabyab, isang referee na nag-invite sa akin. Shoutout din kay Sir Renante Hufana, isang international referee na nag-referee na sa iba't ibang bansa. So tara, samahan niyo ako. Let's go!
Ready, players, jump ball. And between number 9 and number 23. Ball pick up ball. TV Rubens, number 24, basket. Number 12. Ibigay kay number 26, number 6. 10 seconds to shoot. Basket. And number 5. Binalik kay number 24. Binalik kay number 18. Number 18, nakagawa. Number 5, sinilagay. Bowling. Bola lang, violet. Number 18, Luis Discarte. Pinasa kay number 9. Number 9, umistop. Pero tumira, wala. Love ko pa rin na number 9. Binigay sa triple area. Wala. Nice, sana si Shoot. Dito sa number 18. Here comes number 18. Intercepted. Ten seconds to shoot. Number 14 sa 3. Hindi na pumasok. Ball nakuha yung Bantay. Dibera o Bukit. Number 24 sa Martia. Makarog number 23. Tuwa pa rin nila. Number 5, basket. Nakadalawang puntos na si number 5. 4 points na. Number 18, nakuha ang rebound. Tayo sa Mexico. Number 15, 2 points. Back to the ball. Number 12, binigay kay. Binigay niya kay number 12. 10 seconds to shoot. Intercepted. Number 18, Dennis Tafe. Number 24, basket. Number 36, Rivera, shoot, wala. Solo, solo. Intercepted and pasa. Purple ball. 18 second shot clock. Basket. By number 15. Number 23, binalik niya sa kasama sa tumira ng ball, sura. Ito sa ball. Second shot clock. There's the equal foul number 23. Points? Wala. Ikaw nakuha ng bantayan, Ray. Diretso pero may nakuha foul number 18. 2 shots. First round basket with number 12. Basket left, number 12. Ten seconds to shoot. Number 6 for 3, Gabriel. Number 3, 3 points. Libyan. Libyan. Cindy Hooper. Back to the ball. Number 18, Luis Descarte. Kasama number 4, 10 seconds to shoot. Number 4, basket. Lumila na Ugin. Ibang pa rin ang bantayan rin. 10 seconds to shoot. Nakles. Nakuha ng person. Nakuha pa rin ng busit. Basket. By number 25. Number 18, wala pa rin. Nagawa ng bala. Mapipita kang number 25. Si Lider. Purple ball. Number 4, 14. Wala. Bola. Nakuha na pa rin nila. Number 18. Bantayan Rainbow. Basket by number 20. Makaraon. Ibang by number 12. Dumiretso, wala. Bola, nakuha din. Nakuha ng batayan rin. Number 6. 10 seconds to shoot. 3 points. Number 12. 40 seconds remaining time. There's a whistle. Foul number 12. Seconds to shoot. Number 18 for 3 shot. Bola. Seconds remaining time. Violet of green ball. Bola ng bantayan. Number 14 sa Bautista na ball. Pass to number 0. Number 4 Bautista. Pass to 3. No good. Violet basketball. Number 18, binigay sa kasama. Number 9, number 4, agarap na patasan, binigay kay number 9 sa 3 seconds violation. Bola mapupunta sa bantayan. Number 4, there's a foul. Foul by number 0. Blocking foul, 2 free throws. First foul, no good. Para kay number 4. Second foul. Substitution. Number 4. Number 18. Number 18 dribbling the ball. Naras number 6. Okay, shot. Number 6 Bezera. Using the ball. No good. Sementara number 18. Number 18 tumanak mo. Number 18 pass to number 6. Pass to 2. No good. Sementara number 6 pass to number 9. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 6 to number 9. Pass for 3. No good. Sementara naman nakabawa yan dahil sa foul. Foul by number 14. Legal bata to the arm. First row basket. Second row. No good. Rebounded number 14. Substitution. Same over 14 second shot clock. 14 second shot clock. Number 14 for 2. Ito shot clock down. Dito na po si Bezera. Bezera. Ang mag-steal. Bawat ball. Tumama sa paa. Ball. Substitution. It's a traveling violation. Number 14, using the ball, that's the plan. Going to number 14. Number 4, Aquino. Charging, pass for 2, no good. Long pass to number 4, Bautista. Number 6, basket. Number 4, Aquino. It's the same ball with 10 seconds to shoot. Substitution. 10 seconds to shoot. It's a 24-7 shot clock violation. Number 25, collision. Pass to number 4. Hindi na goal, wala. Rebound number 4, Aquino. Aquino, tumatakbo ang batangan ng bola. Aquino. Doon sa usay. Foul Fouled by number 25. Liga Batatuan. He's free throw awarded to jersey number 4. First throw. No good. Second throw. No good correct. It was number 35. Illegal. Pass to number 4. Wala. Follow up by number 14. Basket. Number 4 to number 24. Number 24. No good. Wala. Number 14. Intercepted by number 25. Deliver. Pinaharas. 13 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Wala, rebound to number 16. Pass to number 4. Good. Number 4 Aquino. Basket. Number 6 to number 4 Bautista. Looking out. Basket. Violet. Back to the ball. Basket 2. Rebound. Good number 2. Number 9. Basket. Number 9. And there's the rebound. Foul by number 4, holding foul. Substitution. Exactly 30 minutes. Number 6. 14 seconds to shoot. Intercepted. Pass number 4 to number 12. Basket by jersey number 12. Number 18. Number 18. Wala direkto. Wala. Wala na number 9. Wala pa rin. Wala. Wala na makakaalas. Kembali number 23 na si number 12. Number 12. Dinara direkto. Pass to number 5. Nakita. Number 5. Sila doon. Wala. Number 2. At number 9. Nagkaroon mga sampasa. Bola ng bantayan. Argentino. Pass number 6. 14 seconds to shoot. Basket. Number 5. Number 13, Nairobi. And number 2, pass to number 13, Sarapon. Foul. Foul by number 24, physical substitution. And then number 14, basket. Second throw. Number 23. Ball number 5. Lateral. Follow by number 13. Basket. Number 14 to number 23. Number 14, lagi pada number 22. Ini kembali bola. Kalau bola ke Violet. Number 4 Aquino. Lagi berubah number 22. Dan kata-kata berubah number 6. Good. Number 12, pass to 3, good, number 5, number 10 seconds to shoot, number 6 to 3, number 6, pass to number 18, basket. Seconds to shoot. Still number 18. Pass to number 34. Number 5. Pass to number 4. Number 4. Okay. Number 24. 10 seconds to shoot. Good. Number 23. Pass to number 2. Number 2. Basket. One minute and 10 seconds. Number 4, Aquino. Wala. Well, number 24. 10 seconds to shoot. Still number 6. Number 12, 50 seconds. Basketball foul number 18. Liga Nacional, bonus physical substitution. Robert. Stop. Substitution. Bonus physical by number 12, Vola. By number 24. And there's a foul. Foul by number 5. Number 9, 14 seconds to shoot. 13 seconds to shoot. 13 seconds to shoot. Foul. Foul by number 9. Taking foul. Warning for penalty. Substitution. 13 seconds shot clock. 13 seconds shot clock. Wala. Wala pa rin. 20 seconds. Bakit mo na patulog mo? 10 seconds. Good foul, second quarter. Official score 42-25. Number 4 pass to number 34. Back to number 4, 14 seconds to shoot. Okay, to ball number 5. Long pass to number 4. Ang masagkasal ang intercepted pass. Ito number 34 pass to number 4. Yung sinabog, wala. To ball number 7. Ten seconds to shoot. Number 0, right? Number 4. Rivera, Ilayu. Basket. Aquino, this is number 4. Escutino, good, over number 5. Number 24, it's a 2 ball. 3 more po tayo. Lalo, 20 number 5. 13 seconds to shoot. Block. Yan pa rin number 5. Basket. Sino number 4. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. There's a whistle. Foul on. Jersey number 14. Substitution. Let's go, basket. Second goal. Number 14. Number 5. Wala. Number 14. Wala ka rin. Nabali number 9. Number 9 tumatakbo. Number 9. Foul. Foul by number 25. Illegal patatulan. Substitution. Substitution. Ryan Gibbs. Second goal, Lacan. Nagpalit. 10 seconds to shoot. Foul. Foul by number 14. Laking foul. Foul by number 9. Substitution. Return number 14. Wala. Second goal. Baru pembalik number 24 pass number 9. Wala. Kembali number 5. Number 5 left. Basket. Lanjut ke number 5. Ano first time out? Pagkipalitan na po. Pagkipalitan na po. Number 18. Ayan, bagus. Balik number 10, Leon. Still number 9. Pass to number 18, number 18. Basket, number 18. Number 6, Rivera. Pass number 14. Sampai number 10. 10 seconds to shoot. Long two. Long two. By number 10. Number 18 holding the ball. Number 2, Indra Dresso. Rosa Usa. Foul number 14. Liga once again. Number 14, that is the third personal foul. 13 seconds to shoot. It's still number 5. Full ball. Number 9. Number 9. Number 6. Number 15. Number 12. Number 14. Number 14. Basket. Number 14. Official score. Number 18, wala. Kembali number 22. And intercepted by number 15. Number 12. Number 14, wala. lead. Dahil Bantaya. Back to the bogey. Pinakamaga number 18. Pass number 0. Wala. Pagkaroon number 0. Wala ka rin. Number 12. Wala. Good. Nagkakatan nila. Number 22. Point sa nag-shoot. Number 14, to number 18, pass to the team. It's number 18. It's a long dimension substitution. Double. It's a very important second shot clock. Number 5, number 6. Number 15. Number 12, pass to number 25. Number 25 na bitawan ng bola. Napagkakasabay sa substitution. Number 18. Pass to number 4. Number 4 pass to 2. Number 10 seconds to shoot. Number 18. Substitution. Number 18, Naras. Number 4, number 18. 14 seconds shot clock. 14 seconds shot clock. Interception by Brazil violation. 14 seconds shot clock. 14. Foul by number 4, second foul. Looking for penalty. Number 24, no good. That's right. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 12. By the number 4. Number 4 is intercepted by number 10. Number 9. Number 4, wala sa mga foul. Foul by number 0. Nagpapatang naglaw. Second personal foul number 0. 14 foul. Rebound number 4, basket. Second play, Itachi. Para kay jersey number 4, Bautista. Number 18. Good. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Wala. Rebound number 4, one pass number 9, assisted. Number 9, wala. Rebound number 4. Number 4, number 18. It's a third ball. 16 seconds shot clock. Third ball tayo, third ball. 16 seconds shot clock. Number 18, number 3, wala. Nobody number 24. 10 seconds to shoot. No good. Veteran number 24, there's a foul. Foul by number 4. Penalty. Substitution. Number 4, that is your first personal foul. First round, not good. Para jersey number 24. Second play. Wala pa rin. Rebound number 12. Intercepted number 24. Single. 8 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot. Pagpalitan na to. Coach, pagpalitan na. Seven seconds to shoot. 7 seconds to shoot. There's a whistle. All on. Jersey number 12. Shooting foul. Second personal foul number 12. It's foul. Wala. Second foul. Substitution. Number 12, Santino. Pass number 10, pinalikan number 12 to number 14, 14 seconds to shoot. Wala. Rebound number 5. 18, ready. Good. Foul. Foul by number 10. Illegal contact to the arm. First round basket. Second round, 52, number 0. Number 12. Foul. Foul by number 24. Running for penalty. 1 minute and 8 seconds. Here up. It's a clean ball. It's a ball again. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 9, no good. 5 seconds to shoot. And it's a 24 seconds violation. 49 seconds remaining time at the third quarter. Number 15. Hello. Number 15, 40 seconds. And then we got number 15, 24 seconds. 18 seconds to shoot. 18 seconds to shoot. 20 seconds remaining time. Second third quarter. 14 seconds to shoot. 15 seconds. Jadi number 2, number 2 tinatakbo. Wala. Rebound number 9. 8 seconds. Basket. Gibran Lalu. Third quarter. Number 18, no good. Number 6, number 25, 14 seconds to shoot. Number 12, hello. Foul. Foul by number 0. Rizal Silver. Third personal foul, number 0. Let's foul. No good. Second foul, number 3. Number 5. Number 3, 3-1. Number 6, Gojora. Now rebound number 5. Satu bola Sentasa. Number 18. Rebound goes to number 18. Foul by number 0. That is your third personal foul, number 0. Pangapat mo na tulong. Running from disqualification. Second foul. Wala, walang number 4. Number 18 to number 24. Number 2, 5 to 3. No good. Substitution. Good. Number 24, no good. Number 5 to number 14. Number 2, basket. Violet. Number 18 to number 34, basket. Foul number 5, substitution. Number 12, it's still number 18. Wala. Number 12. That's it. This is number 5. Number 5, good. Number 5, foul. Foul by this number 9. Substitution. number 9. Regreso, gusto na doon, wala. Number 24. Wala pa rin number 5 lalo. Nakapasa ang gusto. Number 6. Still number 5. Gusto na kay 5 lalo. Pasa. Violet. Wala na pong time out ang KG Hooker. Number 18. Pass for 3. No good. Rebound number 23. Still number 18. Number 18. Pass. Number 12. Pass for number 5. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Shot. Basket. And Salisbury. Foul number 12. Time out! Bantayan. That point lead by the Bantayan. Number 12 with the third personal foul. Back to the ball game. First game, yeah. Second throw. Basket. Wala. 10 seconds to shoot. Violet ball. Number 18, intercepted. Number 12. Wala. Foul number 14. Number 14, that is your fourth personal foul. Number 14, so 3 fouls. Number 18, substitution. Number 18. Wala. It's a double, two ball. 12 seconds to shoot. 12 seconds to shoot. Basket. Number 24, wala. Wala pa rin number 24, pass to number 9. Wala pa rin. Bola ng bantayan. It's an 8 seconds violation. Ito na lang ang kalabanan. Ang bantayan may calculating 2 minutes and 13 seconds. Number 9. Diretso. Pinaliwa. Wala. 10 seconds to shoot. Try by number 5. Pass to number 12. Last 2 minutes. It's good. Number 2. Wala. About number 25. It's a silver. Substitution. Number 25 for 3, my goal to number 0. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Number 2, wala. Number 24. That's a good, that's it. Number 18, basket. second shot clock. Warning for penalty. Warning for penalty ang Bantayan. Sampai di situ. Foul. Foul by number 15. Dua tim foul. Second throw. Wala. Wala pa rin number 9. Number 15, 50 seconds. 14 seconds to shoot. Wala. Rebound number 5. Substitution. Bottom. Warning for penalty. Number 18. Foul. Foul by number 25. Second throw. And number 18. Wala pa. Ito ang number 9. 10 seconds to shoot. Isa na naman, kalalaman. Ng Bantayan. Following 22 seconds. Voting sa penalty situation. Voting sa penalty situation. Voting sa penalty situation. Back to the buzzer. 14 seconds shot clock ang napili ng Bantayan. 20 seconds. Pagiging sportsman si